Hello children, today we will start Standard 2 Computer Lesson 4 Keyboard Special Keys. In this chapter we will read today identify and use the special and punctuation keys, recall that certain keys are used in combination and describe the function of different type of keys. So this is your keyboard. Children, this is your keyboard. Here you can see alphabets are there, numbers are there, then punctuation mark are there. Here also you can see full stop, comma and all. Then here also one number key is there, arrow key is there. These are other key like delete key, page up, down, backspace key. These are function keys F2, F12 which have different tasks, and some of the keys like caps lock key, shift, control, alert, space bar. These keys we will read today about all these keys. So let us start. First we will know what is a keyboard. A keyboard is a part of computer we use for typing. It is an input device because we enter data through the keyboard. We can see matching letters, number and other character on the screen when we press the keys on the keyboard. If you will press A, you can see on the monitor A is coming. Okay. So whatever data you want to feed into the computer, you can type it here. Now let us learn about different types of the keyboard. First come alphabet keys. That is your letter keys. Alphabet keys, as you know, there are 26 in number, that is from A to Z. And these numbers are used for typing letter, words and sentence. There are 25 alphabet keys which are arranged in a jumble order. These are arranged in 3 rows. The first 6 letters, that is Q, W, E, R, T, Y. This is the name of the keyboard. This is known as your QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so using this alphabet you can type your letter, word, sentence, whatever you want to type into your computer. Then comes your number keys. Number keys have number from 0 to 9 on them. These are used to type the numbers. In this keyboard you will get 2 set of number keys. One on the top of the alphabet key, another on the right side of the keyboard on the numeric pad. Can you see the keyboard? Here you can see the numbers are there 1, 2 till 0, and here this is the numeric pad. Here you will see the number as it is arranged in your mobile. Okay, so there are 2 number keys. Then come to your next topic, special keys. Special keys on a keyboard are used to perform important tasks. Let's see which are the special keys. Like first come your caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters only. Pressing the caps lock key once turns it on and we type capital letter. Pressing it again turn it off, we can type small letter. So in your keyboard you can see one light will blow if you will switch on the caps lock key. Green light will blow. Okay, that means you can, whatever you will write, it will comes in capital letter. And when again if you will press the caps lock key, this caps lock key, the light will goes. That means you can write in small letters. Then comes your enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. It is also called the return key. Keyboard has 2 enter key. If you have written one sentence and you want to go to the next sentence, you can press enter key. You will move to the next line where you can start the next sentence. It is useful while writing your paragraph. Then a keyboard has 2 enter key. Okay, let's see where it is. You can see 2 enter keys are there, one this one and another one in your numeric pad. Okay. Then comes to your arrow key. There are 4 arrows, that is your up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. If you use the up arrow, you will move the cursor upward. To move the cursor downward, you can use the down arrow. To left arrow, and to move the cursor right, you can use the right arrow. You can move the arrow wherever you move the cursor up and down, left and right, wherever on the screen with these arrow keys. Then comes your delete key. Delete key is used to delete character to the right side of the cursor. This is your delete key, you will see in your keyboard. It means if I have written one word, okay, I have written spelling of words and by mistake I have written 2D and the cursor is before this D. So when I will press delete key, it will delete this right side of the cursor, the letter which is on the right side of the cursor. And here it is backspace key, it is used to delete the character to the left side of the cursor. And if the cursor is between these two D, it will remove or it will delete the character which is on the left side of the cursor. So what is the difference? Delete key will delete from the right side of the cursor and backspace key it will delete from the left side of the cursor. Then you come to page up and down keys. We use the page up and down key to move up a page up or down. If you have written 5 pages on some topic and if you want to go to the first page, you will press page up, so it will take you to the first page, and if you will press page down, it will move you to the last page of your document. Okay, then come your function keys. This keyboard has 12 function keys, that is F1 to F12, and all the keys have different tasks. Okay, like for example, F2 key is used to rename a selected file or folder. If you have made a file and you have written something on it and afterward you want to change the name of the file or the folder, what you have to do, you have to press F2 key and the selected file, and the file will be selected and you can rename the file. Okay, then come to your punctuation key. We use special symbol while writing word, sentence, paragraph. The symbols are called punctuation mark, like your full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation. These all are known as your punctuation key. These all help you to write a paragraph or essay or whatever you want to write. You use all these things, like full stop and comma are the basic thing which you use while writing something. Then where do you use punctuation key? We use this punctuation key while writing any word, sentence or paragraph. Then comes to your combination keys. Combination keys are used with other key to perform particular task, like control, alert are combination key. Shift, control and alert. These keys cannot be work alone. You have to, these keys will work in combination. Like shift key, it is used with other key for different purpose. A keyboard has 2 shift key. Okay, what are the use you see? When in this key you can see 2 is written and above that 2, 1 @ sign is there. So in order to get, when I am writing a document and I want this @ sign, what I will do, I have to press this shift key with this button. Then only I will get @ sign. Without shift key, if you will press, you will get only 2. Okay, so you have to press shift and this button to get the sign. Then come to your control key. Control key is represented as CTRL on a keyboard. Okay, it is used with other key to perform different tasks. Like you can press control plus home, you will go to the top of the document, and control plus end button key if you will press, you will come at the bottom of the document. Like alt key also like shift and control key which perform specific task. For example, when you will press alt key and F4 key, function 4 key, you can close the program which is there on your screen. And if you will press control, alert and delete key, you can shut your computer. You can shut down your computer by pressing these 3 keys. You don't have to go for your power button and then press shut down. Simply you can press these 3 keys together to shut down your computer. So what is here one computer etiquette is given, means one rule. We should handle a keyboard carefully. We should not bang it or hardly press the keys. You should use your keyboard carefully. You should not bang it. You should press the keys in a proper way so that your keys will not be damaged or it will not come out of the keyboard. I hope children you have understood. Learn the lesson properly again.